everybody, Dick Goodman here, and we got another update on vehicles today. We bought another one, and I thought you might like to see this one. Actually, I bought two of them, okay? And we're going to show you the first one, and it's another Ford. Like, I haven't learned my lesson on the last one, and we got one more. Yeah, sitting for about 17 years. And it's kind of work in progress. I'll give you a quick walk around on this one. Then we'll show you the surprise one. This is an F100, 1982. And it's been sitting for, I think, about 17 years. And I've been after this guy to buy it. So I finally got a hold of it. Actually, the body's got some cancer on it. But it's not real bad. I think it's fixable. And the main reason I wanted it is because... Oh, motor's gone. Oh. Well, we're working on that. This thing has power brakes. Where is it? Power steering. And a 306 that had 5 gallons of water in it. That engine's being worked on as we speak. And it's also got, where is it? Let's see here. It's around here someplace. It's got air conditioning. How about that? And it's got a 4-speed overdrive stick shift transmission. So I think this is going to be kind of a cool vehicle to have some fun with. No computers on this thing, and that's why I wanted it. Now, if you had enough of this one, and I've already had plenty with that blue and white one. Yeah, that thing has just been, oh well, that's a story for another day, I guess. Well, now we're going to show you the big surprise of what I got. Let me swing around here. Ooh, finally got something with some class. This is a 1955 Chevrolet, if you haven't guessed already. And it is the 210 model. And it's also got what's called the Del Rey. So it's a 210 Del Rey. One spot below a Bel Air, okay? And this car is really pretty clean. I've been working on it, and I'll kind of show you the stuff I'm doing to it, but I'm not quite done with it yet. But the body and everything is really pretty decent on it, and the bottom is really clean. And I'll give you a walk around tour here. It's had some modifications. Originally there was a California car, born in California, as a green, a light green. I forget what the name of it they called it. And it was a 6-cylinder with a power glide. It has since been modified to, let's see if we can find it here. I'm going to get the door open. It has been modified with a 4-speed Muncie. I put the tack in. And under the hood, we have a not so happy 327. It's got some issues, and we're about to figure some of this out. A lot of it I've already been through and fixed a lot of stuff, and I'll go over all that with you. But the motor has the capability of running good, but it's got some stuff that's wrong with it, and I got to figure that out. And once it gets hot, it doesn't really run that well. We got a new radiator in it, and I've done some work on all of that stuff too. I've already added a new fuse block terminal so I can put a 100 amp alternator on this thing, because we do want to put air conditioning in it. So that's the first part.